When shopping for a brand new motorcycle, price and CCs are very important, but key features like ABS and seat position should also be considered when choosing a beginner motorcycle. In this video, I'm going over 3 motorcycles I think every beginner should check out. Hey, I'm Lavatron, and on this channel, you get quick motorcycle how-tos and product reviews. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below for more. Let's go. Up first, we have the Yamaha R3. Brand new, this bike is priced at $5,300. It features a twin-cylinder 321cc engine, and it has ABS. ABS systems keep the wheels from locking when the brakes are applied. A lot of new riders over-apply the brakes, causing the motorcycle to skid. An anti-lock braking system prevents this from happening. A great thing about this bike is that it easily reaches and maintains highway speeds. This motorcycle gives you a nice upright seating position, similar to a cruiser or a touring bike. It's a great choice for beginners who want to get an entry-level sport bike. Next up, we have the Honda Rebel 500. Brand new, this bike is going for about $6,300. It features a twin-cylinder 471cc engine, and also comes with ABS. This motorcycle's liquid-cooled engine makes it great for cruising around town. The Honda Rebel features a unique crankshaft design that minimizes vibration. It also has a new slipper clutch that makes it easier to switch gears. This bike also features an upright seating position that is very good for new riders. The Honda Rebel makes a perfect entry-level cruiser bike. Be sure to like this video if you've gotten some value from it. And finally, we have the Yamaha XSR 700. This bike is perfect for anyone looking to have a motorcycle that they can keep around for years. The XSR is currently priced at $8,500. It features a twin-cylinder 689cc liquid-cooled engine, and it does include ABS with its dual hydraulic brakes. While this is the most expensive bike on this list, you won't be outgrowing it as quickly as the previous bikes mentioned. The XSR has a sport-oriented frame that achieves light and nimble handling. This retro-inspired Yamaha has a seat height of 33 inches from the ground. With the various mods out there, you can easily turn this bike into looking more like a cafe racer or a scrambler if you're into it. This is probably my favorite bike out of this entire list. Let me know down below in the comments what bikes you think are best for beginners. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, ride safe and see you next time.